So I'm gonna be making churros today. First thing we need is oil, eggs, water, flour. I'm gonna use the Nutella chocolate for the topping, sugar, and cinnamon. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna add is the water, the 3 eggs, the butter, and a little piece of salt. I'm gonna add everything here and mix it up. So I'm mixing the water, the butter, a little bit of salt, 3 eggs. Everything is all mixed up. Now I'm gonna add the flour. I added a lot of flour because I have a big family. I'm gonna mix it up. Oh my god, it was extremely hard to mix. So I washed my hands really well. And ta-da! Everything is mixed. I did have to add a little bit of oil to it because it was really sticky. There we go. Now all is ready. Now you're gonna add oil into a pan and let it get hot. And let me figure out how we're gonna do this. So I added some of the mass and a ziploc, and I'm gonna cut a little tiny weeny piece right here. We're gonna warm the oil. We're gonna put a little piece in there. They're super fat. It was my first time doing it. Next time I know I have to make the hole a little bit smaller. While it's frying, I'm gonna add some sugar in here. Guys, so the churros are fine, but the shape, I fail at it. So I have to figure out what to use to give the shape. But the kids will still eat it, so I'm gonna add more sugar on top of it, a little bit of cinnamon, and I will let them dip them in the Nutella. Gotta work on that shaping though. Oh well, next time.